In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outrank your Google Ads competition step by step. If you're a business owner or a digital marketer, navigating the competitive landscape of Google Ads can be daunting. But don't worry, with a few fundamental tactics, you can improve your ad performance and take your advertising game to the next level. Let's dive it in. First things first, head over to Google Ads. You can easily find it by searching online for Google Ads, where the platform awaits to help you connect with new customers and boost your sales. Once you've landed on the homepage, locate the Sign In button, which will allow you access to your account. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is straightforward and will unlock the door to all the tools that Google offers for advertisers. With your account open, navigate to the Google Ads home, which serves as the dashboard for all your campaigns. This is the nerve center where you can monitor ongoing ads, analyze performance, and make strategic tweaks. It's a good idea to become familiar with this environment, as it's where you'll be managing your campaigns to outpace the competition. Next, click on the Campaign tab. This section lets you orchestrate your advertising strategies. Deciding which type of campaign to run, whether it be search, display, or video, depends on your marketing objectives and target audience. Be sure to choose wisely and align your campaign type with the goals you have in mind. Following this, head over to the Assets section. Here you can find all the creative elements that power your ads, images, video, and text assets that capture your audience's attention. Manage these wisely, as high quality assets can significantly impact the effectiveness and click-through rates of your ads. Once you are in the Assets section, look for the plus icon. Clicking it will let you add new assets to your library. This step is crucial because fresh and engaging media can keep your ad content relevant and impactful. Remember, regularly updating your assets with high quality visuals and compelling copy can give you that competitive edge against your counterparts. Lastly, it's essential to utilize every ad extension available. Ad extensions are extra bits of information like location, phone calls, or additional site links that appear alongside your ad. They not only provide potential customers with more reasons to choose you, but also occupy more screen space, giving your ad greater visibility and presence. Embracing these extensions can dramatically improve both visibility and the click-through rate, which are key components to outranking your competition. There you have it, a straightforward guide to maximizing your impact on Google Ads. By following these steps, using Google's tools wisely, and staying proactive with your ad strategies, you can outshine your competitors and achieve your advertising goals. Remember, consistency and creativity are your best allies in this ever-evolving digital landscape. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these insights serve you well in your advertising journey.